Welcome to International Organic Company, a leader in contract manufacturing of dietary supplements. For over 15 years, we have delivered innovative, high-quality products that empower brands to stand out in markets across Poland and around the world. In this presentation, we are excited to share our comprehensive contract manufacturing services for dietary supplements. At IOC, we believe in making your brand's vision a reality without limitations. We offer a diverse range of customizable supplement forms that cater to various consumer preferences and health goals. Our portfolio includes hard capsules, softgel gelatin capsules, syrups, drops, functional drinks, oral pastes, sachets, and other unique forms. Each option is designed to help your products truly shine in a competitive market. Let me introduce you to our key offerings. Hard capsules. A classic and reliable choice, our hard capsules ensure precise dosing and stability for powdered ingredients like vitamins, minerals, and plant extracts. We provide options that are vegetarian, vegan, or eco-friendly to meet diverse dietary and ethical preferences. The minimum order quantity is 150,000 capsules, which can be packaged into 5,000 bottles of 30 capsules each. Softgel gelatin capsules. Ideal for oils and liquid ingredients, our softgel capsules offer enhanced bioavailability and ease of swallowing. They're perfect for products containing omega-3 fatty acids, fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K plant oils, CBD, coenzyme Q10, and antioxidants such as lutein and lycopene. The minimum order quantity is 300,000 capsules, translating to 10,000 packages of 30 capsules or 5,000 packages of 60 capsules. We also provide a variety of liquid forms to suit different consumer needs. Syrups, perfect for those who appreciate a pleasant taste experience, ideal for children or anyone who prefers liquids over pills. We craft syrups in a range of flavors and formulations. The minimum order quantity is 20,000 units. Drops, convenient and versatile. Drops are great for quick consumption or adding to beverages. They're excellent for supplements targeting cognitive functions or promoting relaxation. The minimum order is 5,000 units. Functional drinks. For those seeking a tasty and healthy alternative to energy drinks, our functional drinks are packed with vitamins, minerals, and adaptogens to support energy and focus throughout the day. The minimum order quantity is 50,000 units. Oral pastes. Our oral pastes offer superior absorption of active ingredients and are particularly suitable for products supporting oral health or the digestive system. The minimum order quantity is 20,000 units. We specialize in sachets in various forms. Powders, easy to use and perfect for dissolving in water with a minimum order of 75,000 pieces. Liquids, practical and convenient for on-the-go consumption with a minimum order of 250,000 pieces. Granules, offering precision and ease, granules come with a minimum order of 250,000 pieces. For those seeking something truly unique, we're ready to develop other exceptional forms of dietary supplements tailored specifically to your needs. Minimum order quantities for these special projects are determined individually. How to choose the right supplement form. We are here to guide you every step of the way. Perhaps you envision creating a fruit-flavored syrup that delights children and encourages healthy habits from a young age. Or maybe you're focused on natural and eco-friendly products and would find our adaptogenic drops particularly appealing to your target audience. With our flexibility and extensive range of supplement forms, we're equipped to meet any challenge and deliver products that perfectly align with your customers' needs and your brand's identity. At International Organic Company, we believe that innovation knows no bounds. We're excited to partner with you to explore the endless possibilities and bring your unique ideas to life. Unleash the full potential of your brand by creating supplements as unique as your vision, perfectly tailored to meet your customers' specific needs. With IOC, you're not confined to a predetermined catalog. Instead, you have the freedom to choose from an extensive selection of ingredients, supplement forms, and packaging options to design products that truly make a statement. Whether it's capsules, syrups, functional drinks, or specialized forms like sachets and pastes, we have the capability to bring your ideas to life without limitations. Our unwavering commitment to flexibility means we source ingredients globally, including the rarest active substances, and adapt our technologies specifically to meet your precise requirements. At IOC, innovation knows no bounds. If you have a unique concept We'll go the extra mile to obtain ingredients from anywhere in the world, incorporate exclusive components, and even develop customized technologies to achieve your exact vision. With complete freedom of choice, you hold the power to create an unparalleled product experience, supported by our expertise and dedication to quality. IOC is here to turn your brand's aspirations into reality, offering endless possibilities for every idea you wish to bring to the market. We understand that costs are a crucial part of production planning. That's why we offer full transparency from the very first consultation, with pricing estimates typically available within 48 hours. Production costs depend heavily not only on the formulation, but also on the production scale, meaning the size of your order. Starting at approximately $10,000 or 9,500 euros for about 2,500 to 5,000 units, prices can drop to as low as $1 or €1 per unit for larger orders. We also provide special discounts for our loyal clients, ensuring an economical and flexible solution tailored to your needs. Safeguarding your business, intellectual property, and innovation. At IOC, your ideas are protected with the utmost care. We prioritize confidentiality, using comprehensive non-disclosure agreements to secure your unique formulas and concepts every step of the way. As a contract manufacturer that operates solely for our clients with no competing in-house brand, we're fully committed to supporting your vision. You can rely on us for complete discretion, dedication, and creative expertise throughout the production process, allowing you to bring your products to market with confidence. Unlock your brand's potential with expert guidance. Drawing from over 350 client partnerships worldwide, we provide invaluable insights to help you succeed. We'll guide you in selecting the ideal supplement form, crafting an effective formulation, and creating a winning market strategy to capture your audience's attention. Plus, we ensure your idea is legally protected so you can launch with confidence. With 15 years of expertise, we're here to turn your vision into a thriving brand. This year, the global dietary supplement market is driven by the following categories. Vitamins and minerals. Particularly popular are vitamins D, C, and zinc, which support immunity. Demand for magnesium is also rising again as it aids in stress reduction and mood improvement. New, innovative forms of vitamins and minerals have also emerged. Adaptogens and medicinal mushrooms. Ingredients like ashwagandha, rhodiola, and mushrooms reishi cordyceps are gaining significant interest, especially for stress reduction and cognitive support. Gut health. Probiotics and prebiotics support digestion and immune health, with increasing attention on the role of the gut microbiome. Sports supplements. Proteins, collagen, and other products supporting post-workout recovery are among the fastest-growing categories. Personalized supplements. Advances in technology are driving demand for supplements tailored to individual health needs. The market is increasingly shifting toward natural and health-focused solutions, meeting the needs of natural medicine and herbal enthusiasts. We are proud of our CSR practices and our selection of eco-friendly, natural products that support both health and environmental sustainability. IOC is your comprehensive partner in dietary supplement production. We offer limitless customization options, innovative technologies, and the highest product quality, ensuring each supplement meets your exact needs. Focused exclusively on contract manufacturing for our clients, we do not launch any brands of our own, dedicating 100% of our resources and expertise to bringing your brand vision to life. We ensure complete confidentiality and support at every stage of our partnership. Join our satisfied clients and grow your brand with us. Contact us today to begin your journey with IOC.
Why choose International Organic Company as your supplement production partner? Expertise and experience. Our team consists of industry experts with years of experience, ensuring the highest product quality. We've been producing dietary supplements under our clients' brands for over 15 years, with a proven track record not only in Poland, but globally. Personalized approach. We know every project is unique, so we tailor our services to your specific needs. With us, you aren't limited to a closed catalog. Whatever the law allows, we make possible. Process optimization. We help optimize your production to increase efficiency and reduce costs. Our facilities are equipped for both medium and large-scale production, so you'll never outgrow our partnership as your brand succeeds. Innovative solutions. We stay ahead of trends and technologies to offer you the most modern, effective solutions. Partnering with leading scientists, we scale and commercialize technologies for our clients and hold patents on our own raw materials and innovations. Our continuous investment in research and development drives groundbreaking results.
What do you gain by partnering with us? Increased competitiveness. Our services will set your products apart, making them unique in the marketplace rather than mere copies of existing items. Safety and compliance. All our processes meet rigorous standards, ensuring compliance with both European and American regulations. Support at every stage. From concept to final production, we're with you every step of the way, sharing our know-how. We provide turnkey dietary supplements precisely crafted to your specifications, ensuring a seamless, guided experience from start to finish.
Thank you for watching our video. In closing, I'd like to invite you to delve deeper into the opportunities we offer. Want to learn more? Visit our social media profiles and our website, producensupplemental.pel, where you'll find guides, resources, and more information about our company. Get in touch. We encourage you to connect with us to discuss the details of a potential partnership. Together, we'll develop the best strategy for your business. From concept to market, we'll design, produce, and register your very own brand of dietary supplements and cosmetics. Share your idea with us. We're ready to bring it to life. Thank you for your time and attention. We look forward to the possibility of working together to create something extraordinary.